Fun with numbers. Ordering decimals using place values. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of decimals and explore how to order them using place values. Decimals may seem tricky at first, but with the help of place values, we will master the art of ordering them in no time. So, let's get started. Before we start ordering decimals, we first need to understand what decimals and place values are. A decimal number is a number that includes a decimal point and represents a whole number plus a fraction of a whole number. For instance, 2.35 means 2 whole units and 35 hundredths of a unit. Now, let's talk about place values. Place values tell us the value of the position of a digit in a number. For example, in the number 123, the digit 1 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the ones place. In the decimal 2.35, 2 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tenths place, and 5 is in the hundredths place. Now that we understand what decimals and place values are, let's move on to ordering decimals. The key to ordering decimals is to compare the digits in each place value, starting from the leftmost place. If we have two decimals, such as 2.35 and 2.4, we would first compare the digits in the ones place. Since both are 2, we move to the tenths place. In 2.35, the digit in the tenths place is 3, while in 2.4, it is 4. Since 4 is greater than 3, 2.4 is greater than 2.35. Let's try some practice problems together. Arrange the following decimals in ascending order: 0.65, 0.5, 0.56. Arrange the following decimals in descending order: 3.21, 3.1, 3.12. Remember, always start comparing from the leftmost place, and move to the right only if the digits in the current place are equal. That's all for today's lesson on ordering decimals using place values. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. With practice, we're sure you'll become a pro at ordering decimals. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step, even a decimal step, takes us further. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!